Morning, everybody. It's Timmy. Aaron's wide awake too. We're going to the surface of the moon today. You'll see. We're gonna meet these Jeeps at the gas station up here. Red light. Okay, we just met the Jeepers. Got Russell behind us and Zach and Jared, and we're going north to Caribou Creek. All right, here we are, Caribou Creek. So this is the takeout of the creek we're about to paddle. So we're gonna leave our vehicles here, load up in the Jeeps, and head up the trail. What do you say, man? Woo! Hey! We're going. Caribou Creek. We're going paddling, apparently. Yeah. That's pretty funny. Get some 40s.
On 2 weeks also.
All right, we out to the trailhead. Startup road. Film the fluffy dog. Yeah. Stick number one. This is the wrong shoe choice. Already soaked one foot. At least I got holes in my shoes, it don't matter. Yeah, maybe we won't make it to the river. Here's Aaron coming in. Oh! Woo! Yeah! Oh man, that was quite a hole. There's some Alaskan mud for you right here, folks. Exposure. Unless the hub's not locked or something. Nice. Done it right. You guys got some ethanol?
No. The rim's bent too.
Oh, the rim's bent? Oh man. Come on, starter hammer trick. again. In the hole. Yeah. No traction in that stuff. We're just gonna send it, bud. Get your cross. Yeah! You look like you're enjoying yourself there.
I thought we had it, man.
I mean, I think we're gonna get to Packraft today. We'll see. It's becoming questionable. Gunsight Mountain back behind us. We got maybe, I'm gonna guess 3 miles we'll be at the river. So right down that valley. Look at that mud. So they're winching back here. They're winching up here. We're winching everywhere. Winch City. Let's check out this hole. Literally a swamp. Look at that soup. This is winch number, I don't know what. We're about maybe, I want to say like 7-ish miles, 8 miles into Caribou Creek Trail, Squaw Creek. Oh yeah. Aaron's got the hole to get out. There we go, there's the Spirit. Thanks for the lift.
Oh man, yeah.
Appreciate it.
That's a different new experience.
I can drive the Jeep back if you want to take the boat down. Do a little swapperoo. That's crazy, I just haven't wheeled in like the Jeeps from, you know, this century, and it's like night and day difference. I feel like we should have been stuck 1,000 times like in an old CJ, you know? Or rolled it.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, go. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, here's a new landslide. Caribou Creek came in the last, I don't even know when. It's still sliding down right now. You can see it. Hey, you guys, there's a little bit of mud sliding down up there. You might want to get past it. There's a pretty good bit coming down. Yeah, go, start going. There's a big boulder. Whew. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Woo. Nice. Yeah, I don't know where you get out for it. I guess like, oh yeah, don't miss this set. You might want to stop there for a sec. We've arrived at the 30-foot waterfall. How do I know it's a 30-foot waterfall? Because of that pinnacle right there. So right around this corner, there's literally a 30-foot waterfall. So we're gonna walk up and around and portage. Whew. It's not good for the Crocs. Yep. I can't kick in unless you can. I can hold both the boats if you can get up a little bit, and I can hand them to you.
Okay.
And get yours.
Yeah, let me come around you.
Yeah. Whew. Waterfall's on the other side of this pillar here. So you take out when you get to this big pillar, walk up the hill and go down here. I'm gonna go down the hill. Woo! Maybe not. We made it below the waterfall before dark. There's totally a rock in that landing zone now.
Yeah, it sure looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, that looks wrong. That pillow's too high. Well, here we are, past the waterfall portage. These guys are coming down. Pretty exposed here. You don't want to hang out here too long. Hey, it's not dark yet. And another flipping landslide. Of course. Oh, I've noticed you really gotta want, like, there's always wood in landslides. I don't know what it is. Cool, all right. Might give you guys like a tap.
And that's a wrap, folks. I wanted to get drone footage in the gorge and continue filming, but my GoPro battery ran out and we just had to keep moving through the gorge. The Jeep ride took about 5 hours to get to the river and we wound up actually paddling out in the dark. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll go on another adventure shortly here. Peace, y'all.